So here we're doing another post on creating content from content. So at Plus One, we create a ton of blog content. So we have a ton of blog posts in our repository that we can use for future content. So I uploaded 3 of them here and have a prompt here that says, here are our last 3 blog posts. Turn them into 10 LinkedIn posts with a consistent voice, including hashtags, and propose a posting calendar for the next 4 weeks. So we're reusing content that we already have created and getting it to turn it into social media content. So this is a great starting point. I would not just copy and paste these. You need to review every one of these, make sure these posts make sense. But you'll see we have, and it's done this in a way that we have different themes for the posts. So it's got a pain point one here, a client story, a quick win, an awareness post. It's using content from both articles, and then you'll see at the bottom, after it provides our 10 posts like we asked, it gives us the posting calendar, which we also asked for. So it gives us, and we're not posting them in order. So it created 10 posts and now saying, hey, we should post these in a different order in which they were created, which, it's fine. So we got week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and it looks like we're going to post on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then a bonus here, maybe on a Saturday. So I don't know how it came up with the information to post on these days. I don't know if it used any kind of intelligence or just picked 2 days of the week. But this is a great way to create additional content from the content you're already doing and create social media activity for your business without having to rethink of brand new content to do it. So this is a great example of creating technology for your business that just works.